Stephen, can you explain how we apply LifeClean?
Yes, of course. Well, what we can do is the good old trigger spray, which you can either spray on the surface or you can basically spray it on the wipe and then apply it to the surface. But the really good news is that because LifeClean is actually safe, it's non-hazardous, it means that you can actually apply it in so many different ways and gives you that great flexibility. So if I can take this opportunity just to show you a few. The first one is eye cover, and what it does is it comes with several different nozzles depending on what droplet size you want. It delivers a mist, and the beauty is that for offices or smaller spaces when you actually want really good coverage, okay, this is a system to use. As mentioned, it's portable and easy to move around. We then go on to the next system. So to give you an idea, that's the misting that you get, okay? Very safe in use, and I'll explain why shortly. You can either have it as it's got 2.5 liters, it's on a trolley, or you can have it as a backpack, in which case walk around with it, maximum flexibility, but they both serve the same purpose, small areas that you want really good coverage in. Now this is the Fogger system. So there are going to be areas that you can't reach. So for instance, if you're going to go into an aircraft or you're going to go into a bus, you basically want to use something like this. And the purpose of this device is that it actually fills the cubic space and actually delivers the disinfectant to all sorts of areas. And it does so safely. Now it's important to talk about safety here because we mentioned it's got an active, which is chlorine dioxide, but the exposure levels are so low that it makes it safe to use with these devices. Why? Because the unique combination of what we've actually got in the formulation, which is patented, means that we can actually deliver effective disinfection at very, very low parts per million, which is very, very important. And then of course, if you want some mechanical action, so we've now gone from air onto surfaces, it can be put into one of the brush systems. So it can go into the eye mop, and then along with mechanical action on floors, it can give you a great coverage and effectively a great effect. So great flexibility.